Good morning, everybody. I'm working on a 2013 Mercedes C250, replacing the turbo oil inlet line, as you can see here. And it falls below the reservoir. So down here is the bolt. There you go. And on the side of the engine wall that goes straight in and down under there, if you can see that. So it's just a matter of removing the reservoir first, and that way you can drop your 13 millimeter and remove that bolt, the banjo, and the two washers, and then of course go underneath with the 8 millimeter and remove the bolt on the wall and pull that out and replace the washers. So there you go. Should be very simple. Hopefully it won't take more than 30 minutes. Wish me luck. And there's your part number.